This will be for the con exercise. Find angles in congruent triangles. So just so you know, it's right in the title that all of the triangles or pairs of triangles given in each problem are going to be congruent. All right, so that we already know. And in this one, they want us to find the value of x in the figure shown below. Let's take a look. Okay, so x is this angle right here. We're looking for how many degrees this is. And basically, we said that it is in the title that these triangles are given to be congruent. So we just want to find the corresponding side or corresponding angle. All right, in this case, we can find which angle this is congruent to by matching it with corresponding congruent sides. All right, so I can see this side right here is 3.5 or 3.5, and so is this side right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is go from side to angle, or you can do it the other way around, and match up congruent sides with congruent angles. So this side right here, 3.5, across from that side is the angle x. And this side right here, 3.5, is across from this angle right here. All right, so we don't know what this is, but it's easy to find because we know the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can just subtract this one and this one from 180, and we'll get this one right here. So let's do that. Okay, that angle is going to be 180 minus the combination of the other two, 75 plus 30. All right, 75 plus 30 is 105. And 180 minus 105 is 75. So this angle right here is 75. And it's going to match this angle right here. Okay, because they're across some sides that are congruent. So x is just 75 degrees. So you just click in the box and enter 75. All right, what is the value of x in the figure shown below? Once again, x is right here. That is the measure of this angle in degrees. All right, and we could find the congruent sides once again and find the corresponding angle. So I can see that this side here is 3.2, and this side right here is also 3.2. So I am just going to go from side to angle and match up the corresponding angles. All right, so if I go from this side to the angle, that's angle x. And if I go from this side to the angle, that's this one right here. All right, we don't have it, but we can easily get it. In this triangle here, we know the interior angles of any triangle add to 180 degrees. So we can just subtract this angle and this angle from 180 to get this angle here. All right, so this one right here is going to be 180 minus 115 plus 32. All right, it's just 180 minus the other two. 115 plus 32. Okay, and this is going to be 147. All right, and 180 minus 147. And that is just 33. And that's in degrees. So angle X matches angle 33. So that's it. All right, last one. Once again, we're looking to solve for x. All right, and on this one, it's a tiny bit different. We see the two congruent sides, 4.5 on both. And this one is 4.5. Now, if we go side to angle, all right, so I'm going side to angle, that's this angle here, and side to angle, that's this angle here, okay?
Please excuse the interruption.
Okay, and as you can see, these angles match, but both measures are missing, okay? So that isn't helpful in finding x. So that's not what we're doing here. So in this case, I am going to try the other way and go from angle to side. Okay, in the previous problems, I went side to angle. Now I'm going to try going from angle to side. So x is the one that's missing. That's this angle here. If I go across, that's this side right here. And if I go across from this angle, that's this side right here. Okay, and now we can see this angle here matches this angle here. So there's nothing to calculate. We just match them up. And clearly, x is the same as 116 degrees. So just enter that in the box.